I went for a Jeep ride along the Constellation Road east of Wickenburg, Arizona, into mine country, discovering abandoned buildings, including a cat house, seen at the end of the video. First stop was Sayre Spring, an 1890s stagecoach stop with a store and hotel with dance floor. No longer there. George Sayre was said to be prince of a good fellow who never turned away a wanting wanderer of the hills. Sadly, he died when his shotgun discharged while loading a wagon. Rainwater percolates through the conglomerate rocky cliffs into walled tanks. The Monte Cristo mine is 1,150 feet deep, with drifts at each 100-foot level and about 22,000 feet of tunnels. That's over 4.16 miles. All that remains above ground is a headframe, winch house, and mill. The Gold Bar mine was discovered in 1877. Today, all that's left is a headframe standing above the main shaft, a small building, mill foundation, a couple water tanks, and an unlived-in RV. Just down the road, the O'Brien mine, actually part of the Gold Bar, looked to be residences that were built over time.
Alrighty, well.
We wandered here with permission.
This is a mighty fine place. Wow. There's some relatively new wood in here, along with the nice masonry work, huh? Glass in the windows. There's the porch, right above the wash. Wow, craziness. Oh, I'd like this. I could live in this. Most certainly. Nice and cool building. The stonework. Looks like it's had some reinforcement. What'd you say? A little bit of extra help holding everything together. Well, I don't think I want the furniture, but got a tin roof. It's not in bad shape. Clean out all the pack rat poop, but it's not bad. Let's see what we got back here. Got another door. And here we are out on the patio. Little fire ring here. That's a nice looking structure, actually. Yeah. Got a water spigot here. We've even got a spigot. Look at that. Am I gonna get lucky? No. That's okay. Look at that, it's all set up here. Wow, that's a really fine looking building. Cinder block base added on to the rock work here. Let's see if we can peek inside. It's gonna be dark for a second. All right, there you go. There's a toilet. Holy moly. Nice stonework. Definitely some nice stonework. I like the other house better, I think, though. Let's see what happens when we walk through. Bunch of critters. Definitely poop all over the place. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Look at that beautiful building. We get the view from the wash. That's actually adobe. Right up in there, that's adobe. The stairway to nowhere. Well, that's a mighty fine, nice looking place. Mighty fine. Okay. Going into the dark. Oh. Wow. Oh, I could live here in a heartbeat. Look at that nice old table. Wood turned legs. Oh my God, there's an old claw tub in that bathroom. Hot damn. Look at that. The toilet. Oh, nice. I like that claw tub. Look at this, marble topped counters. It's almost like they just walked away. Holy moly. Sink, hummingbird feeder, birdseed. Nice little stove. Alright, what else we got? We got the screened-in porch here. That's oh, look at that, adobe brick floor. Nice. This had to be, I don't know, that brick looks pretty modern. And then you got the back porch here, the back patio. Let's see. Back into the house. Look at that. What a nice kitchen, huh? It's huge. What a wonderful kitchen. Whew, I bet they had running water here at one time. Let's see what's inside. Nothing. That's right. Now we're out on the back door again, off the kitchen. Okay, another back door here. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, feel that wonderful cool temperature. Holy cow. All right. see what else we got here. Alright, well, another opening up there. Didn't go in very far. Well, pantry. I'm going to say that was the pantry for storing your cool goods in. Ron says that was a cat house because you couldn't have a cat house on the mine.
Down below there is the Blue Nelly Mine, where I'll share a tour coming soon.